Welcome back guys again in my Android software tutorials, and in today's project we are going to learn about how to communicate with Fragment through an activity. So let's start now. Start in Android Studio project, click here and give the application name like Fragment Communication. Click on the next and select your platform and click on next and select an empty activity and click on next. Click on finish. Okay guys, so let's start now. So first of all we will create fragments. So let's create now. First of all delete this text view. For creating the fragment I will take a linear layout or relative layout. Which one we can take any layout, like we have linear layout. Mesh parent and height I will take it is 400 dp and the ID for this. And we need to provide the orientation for this, so let's provide the orientation. Now it is created, and now we need to create our fragments. So right click on the app icon, click on the new fragment blank, and give the fragment name like first fragment. Change the layout name. Fragment first layout. And here we will include the only interface method. We will not include fragment factory method because the operation of the communication between fragment and activity it will done by interface. So let's include the interface only and click on finish. And I will take one more fragment. So right on I will name this fragment 2. And I will give the name, and here we will, it is fragment 2, so here we will not take interface, and we will not take all the factory method, just take the layout only, and click on the finish. Okay guys, now we have 2 fragments and 1 main activity. Okay guys, so we will communicate our fragment through an activity. So let me do now. Okay guys, and now we will use the interface for changing the method. Sorry for communicate with the activity, communicate fragment. So let's use this method, it is given already. So I will change your string because I want to show it to method. So let's take the string. and now we need to go back in our interface method. Here it is here, and change here into text. Like here we can add any string, like I will give here hello from Fragment. Okay guys, and now after this, because you are watching that the instance of this here is also already given, it is here. Okay guys, and now we need to go back in our main activity.java class, and we will insert this method, we will override this method in our main activity by implementing this interface in our main activity. So first of all, we will implement this interface in main activity. So go back into main activity.java class and implement interface, and implement this our interface name bash, on fragment interaction. Listen, this is our interface name, so we will implement this on fragment interaction listener. Here it is, implement this and implement this given method. So before going to implement this, so first of all I will implement this. It is not appearing here. What is? Guys, now on fragment interaction method is going to be implemented. Okay, I have implemented, and now in this method we will generate a toast message. So before generate a toast message, I forget to add something in our fragment Java, because I will generate this toast by clicking on the button. So first of all, I will take a button in our fragment Java class. So take a button here, change height into 400. Okay, now it is show okay, and I remove this text view. We will not remove because we'll get this name for first fragment. And also provide the background color. I will specify the green color. Okay guys, now it is enough, and make this into bigger, right, text appearance, and also make this bold. Okay guys, now it is first fragment. Let me change the gravity, center horizontal. Okay, now it is okay and fine. Okay guys, and now I will take a button here for generating the toast message into our main activity. So let me take a button. let me change this into relative layout. Let me remove this button. And rename this button into click me. Okay guys, or either we can say into go to next fragment. Sorry guys, there is some problem. Now it is okay. Okay guys, and now we will change something into our fragment 2. So fragment 2, first fragment, where it is? First fragment. I did not take fragment to here. Also we will change here linear layout or relative layout, anything. And the height I will take this 400 dp. And the color for that I will take Asian color, and also get this name for this like fragment 2. Make this bigger and large. And also bold. Okay guys, now this is completed. Okay guys, and now we will show the toast message by clicking the button into main activity by fragment. So go to your first fragment and initialize the button here. For that we first we need to get the view object and include into view and return view. Okay guys, so first of all we will initialize our button here. So first we need to take here button click, and now initialize that button click is equal to button typecast and find by view, id and r dot to button 2. The id of button may be button 2, and check. Let us check fragment first. The id of button is button 2. You're watching here. Go back to fragment.java, and now we will set this button into click listener. So button click dot set on click listener. On click listener. Okay guys, and now in this we will now in this button we will perform our operations. I mean we will generate our toast by this button. So let's initialize that. So call the method which we have created in our interface. Method is on fragment interaction. Okay guys, and here it is string text. So call this method here. So by the object of the on interface, the interface object, it is here. By this interface mListener, so call the mListener here, mListener, and call the method on fragment interaction, and pass here a string like hello from first fragment. Okay guys, now our toast message will generate. If when user click the button, then toast message will generate into main activity. And one more thing I will do here, and I will also change the layout into, and I will replace the layout into first layout into second layout, first fragment into second fragment. So for that I need to create another method into our interface. So click that change fragment, I will blank guys, and also call this here into our button. So and it's now dot change fragment. Okay guys, and now when user click the button, then two functions will perform, then two operations will perform. The first one will show the toast message, and the second one it will change our fragment. It will load our second fragment by this button. Okay guys, so now go back into main activity.java class. We also need to implement that method which we have created recently. So implement now. So guys, method has implemented. So in this method we will generate our toast, and in this method we will change our fragment. So first we will generate the toast message. So I will not write the toast. I will copy this toast because it will save our time. So I have paste here. Here I need to change something. It is text. Guys, now everything is fine. Okay guys, and now we will change our fragment. So for changing the fragment, so change the fragment now. So call the fragment manager. I will use the fragment manager, and the fragment manager is equal to get support fragment manager dot begin transaction, and dot here we will replace our replace and pass the id r dot id dot pass the fragment container, and pass the newly created fragment, which we have created the new fragment 2. First pass here new fragment 2. Okay guys, and also let me make this bigger so you can watch properly. And here I will add one more thing, add to back stack, and now I will commit this. Okay guys, so now it is completed, and here we to pass the null. Something is wrong. No, fragment 2. Sorry, I think I need to typecast into fragment 2. Still something is wrong. Fragment container. Something is wrong here. Okay guys, it will not fragment manager, it should be fragment 2. It is still showing an error. Let me do this again. So first of all, I think something is wrong here. First of all, I will, where we are in the main activity. So I will add this. I will add like something this. So fragment 2 is equal new and then we will call the fragment manager. It's equal to get support fragment manager, and fragment transaction. It is here equal to fragment manager dot bring transaction. Okay guys, and after this now we will replace our fragment dot id dot fragment container comma fragment 2. And now add 2 into backstack, pass the null, and finally make this commit. Okay guys, now everything is fine. Okay guys, now our fragment will be changed by the button. So before going to change our fragment, first we will add our first fragment into main activity. So here we will add first fragment. So add this, like we will copy this. Paste here and change this into add, and change this into fragment first. Before going to change, here we need to also change fragment first. first fragment. It is fragment first, or it is first fragment. And then now pass the first fragment. Okay guys, now our coding is completed. Now we can test our app. So let's test now. Okay guys, so before going to run this app, I forget something here. I made a mistake here, and the mistake is that the first fragment, in first fragment, I create this, I call this method and do in this button paste. So I need to call this into cut from here. And paste here. Paste here. It is not pasting. Something is wrong. I'll get myself. Sorry, and listener dot change fragment. Okay guys, now everything is fine. Let's delete this here from, because we don't need. Sorry, I will make this code remove. Now everything is fine. Okay guys, now we can test our app. So let's test now. Everything is fine here. So let's click on the run button. Okay guys, now our application have launched in emulator. So now we can test our app. So let's test now. So click on the go to next fragment, and it will show a toast message and also change the fragment. Guys, now fragment have also changed, and toast message also. You watch this. This is hello from main, hello from first fragment. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching my tutorial. Please like and subscribe my channel for getting the more videos. Thank you.